Manipur directs MLA 𝐍𝐶𝐞𝐰𝐬 to appear before court on October 20, or it may issue warrant of arrest against MLA. Some people spreading misinformation during this time of crisis unfortunate, says 𝐻𝐿 and strengthening narrative art form necessary for posterity, says Secretary of 𝐿 Temple Board, 𝐍𝐶𝐿. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window. This is GEETIKA SHAMURAILATPAM, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in details. The High Court of Manipur has directed MLA of 𝐿 Assembly Constituency, 𝐂𝐿 to appear before the commissioner appointed by the court on October 20 for further examination in the case relating to an election petition, or it may issue warrant of arrest against the MLA. This was announced in the open court by Judge Justice Ahanthem Bimol yesterday. The election petition was filed by ex-MLA of 𝐿 AC, Soibum Subhaschandra, against the sitting MLA of constituency, 𝐂𝐿. Advocate 𝐂𝐿, assisted by Advocate B.R. Sharma, appeared for the petitioner, while Advocate L. Ayang appeared for respondent number 1. MLA KB and Advocate Ningombam Bhupendra Maitei appeared for respondent number 2. MLA KB's counsel apprised the court that due to an illness, the MLA was unable to appear before the commissioner appointed by the court and prayed for allowing her to appear on October 20 for further examination. The counsel assured the court that she will ensure the respondent's appearance on the day. Judge Justice Bimol said in the open court that if she fails to appear again before the court appointed commissioner on October 20, warrant of arrest against the MLA could be issued. It may be mentioned that the High Court of Manipur appointed Advocate S. Dalajit Singh as the commissioner for the case to record depositions of witnesses in connection with the election petition. The court directed the commissioner to start recording the statements of the witness from April 11 and complete it within 1 month. Now 6 months have already passed, but examination of respondent number 1, who is the MLA of 𝐿 Assembly Constituency, is yet be completed. National Secretary of Republican Party of India RPI Atawale 𝐻𝐿 has termed it unfortunate that some people are trying to spread misinformation amid the hardship facing the people due to the crisis that hit the state since May 3rd. He was addressing media persons during a press meet held at his residence at Kaisampat Ahibam Lekai yesterday, clarifying his statement that went viral in the past few days. 𝐻𝐿 said that he was implying that after defeating the Chinkuki narco-terrorists and illegal immigrants, they need to be wiped out of the state, and then the Manipur Land Revenue and Land Reforms Act 1960 needs to be amended to ensure people of any community settle anywhere in the state, stating that people of every community must be able to live in the hills too and not just in the valley, so as to bring united coexistence in the state. He termed it extremely unfortunate that his statement was misinterpreted by some people, which may hurt the sentiment of other communities.
तसेंना हारगदी अखोइनि हाइदिंगिबा पोतुदि अखोइ मैतैना अखोइगी इसागी इरमदमसिदबु कैदुबगी 6 to 8% कन्फाइन तौरगा लेरिबनो सी 100 लेबम थोइ अतै येलोमी लेमिनरिबा म्यामसु नुसी चानाना मोखोइगा चिंगतम खेनादबिदा वन मणिपुर ओइरगा चिंगतम खाइदोक्तबिदा बेरीदा नुसी चानाना लेमिनरिबसे सुमाइना लेमिनरगा चिंगसु लेमिनबदा कैकाय लोइमक सुमाइना याम नुसी चानाना लेमिनसे हाइजबनी अदुदा मियोइ खरना अखोइगी रोंग इंटरप्रेट तौरगा अतोपा कम्युनिटीदा सेंटिमेंट ओन्ना बोना बाना जगा अतोपा लाना वकल खनना मोहनबसे Sidi ay isama tasing ay may tay community dagi belong to rin na isagi yumdo isagi yumne haibata kay kaibelay isagi yumni ado nungsi chanan ay ichinaw lemin nari mayam de so yum de lebiu ulak nungsi na lemin na si haizabani.
Member Secretary of 𝐊𝐿𝐄𝐰𝐬 Temple Board, Maishnam Sivadata Luwang said that it is vital to strengthen narrative art forms of the state for the sake of the future generation. He said this today on the second day of 4-day Festival of Narrative Art Form in Manipur, which kicked off yesterday at Iboyama Sumang Lila Sanglen. The festival is jointly organized by Manipur State Sumang Lila Council and Theatre Mirror Imphal. Maishnam Sivadata, Deputy Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy, K. Ragumani, graced the second day of festival, focused on Meitei Isai and Meitei Wari Liba as presidium members. Sivadata Luwang further emphasized the need to strengthen the art forms of the state when the culture of forefather is deteriorating. He also said that holding such narrative art festival is significant as the younger generation now begin to look up the state's origin and culture. Paying his respect to the late Nabawaripa, who founded the festival, Sivadata appealed to all to help strengthen and protect various art forms of the state, which are indispensable part of the state's culture. Deputy Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy, K. Ragumani also said, the festival will play a significant role in protecting and promoting states at all art forms and appeal to the people to take part in the festival and revisit the state's rich culture.
Narrative art wari liba si aina agi marutta sunu wari liba all the characteristics
The Union government has appointed Delhi High Court Judge Siddharth Miridul as the new full-time Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, more than 3 months after the Collegium's recommendation. On October 9, a Supreme Court bench had noted that the appointment of the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court had finally received the centre's attention and would be notified shortly. The 12th Court Collegium, headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, had on July 5 recommended the appointment of Delhi High Court Judge Justice Siddharth Miridul as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court amid the ethnic turmoil in the border state. In exercise of power conferred by the Constitution of India, President of India, after consultation with Chief Justice of India, is pleased to appoint Justice Siddharth Miridul, Judge of the Delhi High Court, as Chief Justice of Manipur High Court, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal posted on X yesterday. Under the Manipur State Legal Service Authority, District Legal Service Authority Thoubal, in a collaboration with Chief Medical Officer Thoubal, today organized a free medical camp at Rice Research Station Relief Camp, Khangabok, where inmates from Thoubal and Kakching are taking. District and Session Judge cum Chairman, District Legal Service Authority Thoubal, Samom Ibjen, Chief Judicial Magistrate cum Secretary in Charge, District Legal Service Authority Thoubal, Masanai Panmai, were among those present at the camp. Free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Chungkha Modumangol's book titled Puya was released at Wangoi Bazaar Community Hall yesterday. The book talks about the sacred place of 𝐊𝐿𝐿 Lai Kangla Wangoi, Khurailakpa Manipur Cheraf Loisangs Chingangbam Nandalal, Pandit Atomba Manipur Pandit Loisangs Nangmerapam Gozen, Pandit Manipur Pandit Loisang Ngariambam Khomba, Longjam Sanatoy Luwang Nongum, and retired headmaster of Yunam Huidrom High School, Thongnauzam Manglemba, graced the release function as presidium members. Floral tributes were offered to the departed Pandits on the occasions, and a 2-minute silence was also observed in their honor.
Mangkoi lai pati yang dulu ni ne, me kaya boleh kong thabam lai nanti ni na, ahal madun tapi, aduh, amte yang hari tiga madam jadi, amat tak jadi, hamil hari tu nanti aduh, lai thab jadi, ujikti, me singdo, macam me makan mengaje, mereka me ibam me makan ani ma, adiki Bengali me iramba me makan mama, me makan mengaje kap. Aduh kalau ini masih orang komjel tasan lega, aku kunggapi ilai kaki, ilang damji dah lega, lai komjigi, kangla jigi, lai kangla ni, lai dok senami kangla ni, hai na leram iba, tharam iba, pot pun masih uru lega, masih di lai koi nama putoga, kunggang ilai kai jida, lai iba ipa izai cili nama mayam da, tanam minaraga, jeng minaraga, masih pun masih lai kisu sawan pa, mi kisu sawan pa. Udah pagadra hai na khalaga ai ngasi hai ban lai se komjan tasan jaraga asu mai jaraga lai se compose dau jamani komjan jamani tasan jamani
ai khoi mai tai sing se ngausam na ba lai khong ting khong thi da ba lai san khang da ba mana tongin ba ai khoi na tong ba pang tau da to ba khoi urei masin ai khoi gi tung gi hoi ba isa ai su sing se mai kai se lai khang da na moi ji lai horani tau ba ai khoi gi mai tai khunai se yamna mioi khara khang natana ayamana thijen buat mina tawraga aikoina dum pangpen da penba adugumba iraisa amani purup amani mi kharana adu pangai da hairaga aikoisi makoino hummaga dum pangsata sakhiba adugumba kangrup ne mitai singti luhong khongdong bagi isai sakpa sakpi afaba ungyeibi afabi adu da aikoisi ngau dun nei tudagi koi jati yoi ba sothar kadaba kaya adi koi nei na si koi wan hobi.
Internally displaced person taking shelter at relief camp opened at children's home Harinagar, Jiribam, initiated a startup named Jiri Foods and have started processing 5 tons of pineapple for Mera Foods. This remarkable effort to support the livelihood of internally displaced people of Jiribam has been jointly ventured by the district administration, Jiribam and Mera Foods Imphal. The venture has been coordinated by the district skill committee, Jiribam, under the leadership of Deputy Commissioner Jiribam, 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐞 along with Morangthim Debananda, SDC Borovarkra and District in Charge MSRLM Thongbam Lenan Singh. Deputy Commissioner 𝐋𝐢𝐯𝐶 appreciated Mera Foods for supporting the IDPs of Jiribam by providing them job opportunity through this initiative. The DC further assured that the district administration will bear out in every possible way to take this venture forward and encourage the inmates to work hard. A 7-day skill development for skin care, hair care and makeup training program organized by PR Spa and Salon Chingmairong in collaboration with Saktam Beauty Wellness School at Relief Camp of Sagol Tongba Recent Higher Secondary School commenced today. Yumrembam Jila Parisad Th. Nilamani, retired principal of Sagol Tongba Recent Higher Secondary School, Chongtha Mohan, Pradhan of Yumrembam Grand Panchayat Mutum Deban Singh and ex-chairperson of Manipur Commissioner of President of Child Right Government of Manipur, Manibabu Durailatpam, were the main dignitaries at the program. Trainer of the program, Punam Saikom, said that even though financial help cannot be given to the inmates at relief camp, they have decided to share their knowledge from makeup to all the girls and women at the relief camp. She further added that since the current crisis has lasted for more than 5 months, inmates of relief camps have been having a hard time finding jobs, and so this training might help them get possible jobs in the future in the field of makeup. She also mentioned that after the training, women and girls inmates of the relief camp will be given job opportunities at their salon.
Inmate mayam ki training asi financial da problem lai na bani na irang se khataruk tarek sura bani na mayam su lema wana re aduna mateng pangwang ngam daga su aina haijaba ai khara mayam si da training oina pizza bani masa masa gi lifetime oina ba hingui lambi ama oiba ngamna ga training asi pizza Hujikse akoise salon khudingi staff si busang wanare koi manipur se hanadi kukine loina nambu oirame bata sengna hairagadi siguma sinpham se koina maitai masaj na tawram deba adubu moibo aina takpi tamiraga sinpham sida matik jana sihemaga thaba ama tawning bagi damak tawsabra.
Now we shall have a short break. Please stay tuned.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Lengsin Biraksi, JR Institute of Medical Sciences, Hata Telepathy Road, Imphal East, Paramedical Course Sing Tambaki Khudong Java Pizari, Manipur International University Imakada, BSc MLT, RIT, OTT, Diploma MLT, OTT, RIT ki course Sing ki admission Hausare, Pizari ba Khudong Java Singdi, Scholarship ki khudong chaba su pizari, lower income amadi orphan singi akhanaba khudong chaba sing su pizari. Tamba loraba matungda 100% job placement legani. College asiki campus manungda multi speciality hospital ama leizari. Mapung fana ningtina clinical training tobki facility leire. Experience leraba qualified oraba faculty khakna takani. Hostel amadi library ki khudong chaba su pizari. Akuba marol ki damak makhada pizari ba contact number asida call tobirau JR Institute of Medical Sciences, Hata Telepathy Road, Imphal East.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu numit mangani gi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak na simaglengsin birau Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Welcome back. Now the national news. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, who is on a 3-day visit to the poll-bound state of Mizoram, addressed a press conference in Aizawl where he slammed the BJP party for using the regional parties for destroying the state. Speaking to the media on the Congress strategy and campaigning program for the upcoming polls, Gandhi slammed Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, stating that the Chief Minister is basically engaged in cultural inhalitation, destroying the culture of Northeast. Alleging the ruling BJP party of misusing the regional parties for fulfilling their personal political motives, Rahul Gandhi stated that the ruling party and the RSS have different vision, who are basically engaged in destroying the idea of India on the party's implementation of policies if voted to power. Gandhi stated that their government in various states have been conducting several successful models, such as the Rajasthan health model, which they are planning to spread to the other states if they come to power. Manipur has been attacked by BJP using local parties, said Gandhi, while attacking the Prime Minister for not visiting the state. He said, the BJP is using the regional parties to play havoc in the Northeast. BJP has taken away his membership, his house, slaved 25 cases against him. BJP is a threat to Mizoram. RSS is a threat to idea of India. Do not let your vote be the entry point for BJP because the consequences will not be good, concluded Rahul Gandhi.
The hatred that the BJP has spread needs to be removed and bridges need to be built between the two communities. That was my point about Manipur, and I framed it by saying that the idea of India, which is respect, love and affection between communities, has been destroyed in Manipur by the BJP. And that idea of India, where people respect each other, have affection for each other, needs to be repaired. That was my point.
The Supreme Court today refrained from legalizing same-sex marriage in the country in what many were hoping to be a historic verdict. The failure to come to a conclusion on passing a verdict in favor of same-sex marriage stemmed from the fact that there was no lack of unanimity on the subject among the judges. The five-panel bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Sanjay Kishan Kaul, S. Rabindra Bhatt, Hema Kohli and P.S. Narasimha could not come to a conclusion as there were differences of opinions while hearing the pleas. While CZI Chandrachud and Justice Kaul were in the favor, the other three justices were in the oppositions. Justice Hema Kohli and P.S. Narasimha said that they agree with Justice Rabindra Bhatt that there is no unqualified right to marry. The point of contention was that marriage is not a fixed and immutable arrangement. The Chief Justice also pointed out that it is up to the Parliament to decide whether to bring changes in the Special Marriage Act. The petitioners has demanded that the terms man and woman be changed to the term individual and the term husband and wife to the couple in Special Marriage Act to register same-sex marriage. And before we end off, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. High Court of Manipur directs MLA SKB to appear before court on October 20, or it may issue warrant of arrest against MLA. Some people spreading misinformation during this time of crisis unfortunate, says Maheshwar Thammausam. And strengthening narrative art forms necessary for posterity, says Secretary of Lainingthal Sanamahi Temple Board, Sibadatta Luwang. And that's all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.